Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? Welcome in my class. There is an English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 11. Lend a helping hand. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 5, comprehension. We will learn today, cover up page number 82 and 83. And my dear students, before we have learned about grade 4, in grade 4 unit number 5, Nature's Way, we have already learned a poem. I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, so our today's students learning outcome is use textual aids such as table of content and glossary for greater comprehensions of texts. So today we are going to cover up this SLO. Yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Hujurat, verse number 10, the believers are but community. Therefore, make peace between your community and be careful of your duty to Allah, that mercy may be had on you. Yes, my dear students, so this beautiful verse is telling us that Allah Almighty is telling us, addressing us that we all Muslims are like a community. And when we are a community, definitely we can share things, we can help each other. Already that we have a theme of the poem is that we should help each other, and the title is also lend a helping hand. So this beautiful verse is also telling us the importance of lending a hand to anyone in the shape of, in the form of, in the difficulties, in the hour of need. So how we can help anyone. Yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, let's refresh our knowledge. Think and tell me, look at the picture and predict the poem. Look at the picture and predict the poem, that what is it about. Excellent job. And welcome back. I hope you have got it, my dear students. So we are going to learn today poem. Okay, so are you ready? Now stand up in your class and we are going to start our poem, my dear students, and you will read aloud with me. Okay. Okay, stand up. Have you stood up? Good. So we are going to start. When we will learn that we cannot hide from fears and doubt, time to cast away our pride, no time for foolish thought or for regrets. Let's try to forgive and in love, let's place our bets. The time is ticking on the clock. The time to waste or in other mock, cheating, lying, gossip. Oh, this has to stop. Does it really matter who is on the top? No time for bullying or calling names. No time to ridicule or some people like to blame. Let's pull together to take a stand or help each other and lend a helping hand. Yes, my dear students. So I hope you have enjoyed and you have revised this poem. Good. Excellent job, my dear students. I hope you have enjoyed while singing this poem. Yes, my dear teachers, the whole words that were given at the end, so you will clear to your teachers. The glossary words were there, my dear teachers. So you will clear up all these words to your students. So what were these words? And there are post-reading questions. Do you stop other children from bullying at your school? What do you think about bullying others? So what do you think? Yes, my dear students, teachers, pause the video and answer to your teacher. Excellent job. So let's perform an activity in your class now. Yes, my dear teachers, divide class in groups and each group will present the poem in front of class. Each group will read poem with actions loud with accurate reproduction of sounds, letters and words. Yes, my dear teachers, as I have sung in front of you, so you will also get this poem from your class. Perform this activity and enjoy. Welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed and now you are feeling fresh. Good. So now you will do on question number 84, page number 84 and question number 1, you will these questions in your notebook. First, my dear teachers, you will get these all questions orally from your students. You will guide them, you will correct them where they need, and now after that you will get in your notebooks. Excellent job. So what's our homework today? Write and learn question number 2 on book, page number 84 in your notebooks. So there is question number 2 given on your book. So that is your homework for today and you will write in your notebooks. So yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet and this worksheet is given below. Click it and provide it to your students in printed form. So what we have covered up today? Today we learned to make glossary list through comprehension skills. So we have covered up SLOs, use textual aids such as table of content and glossary for greater comprehension of text. And in this way we have covered up this our lesson. And my dear students, thank you so much for your time. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.